Joey the rat. Joey the straight up loser. Sneeze. Bro, I see now. You have no dignity, no 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 sense of pride in you. Bro, the stuff that's coming out of your mouth because you think you gotta say relevant, you gotta stay in stay on YouTube for people to still know you and blah blah. Bro, you have no morals. None. You will lie about any and everything. You don't care. You don't even remotely care what you say. Because you just want people to say your name and think that you're doing this stuff. And then when you finally get caught in a lie, you try your hardest to try to get mad and pump your little bird chest up. You try to do that all the time. Then you try to attack somebody, thinking that's gonna work, but it's not. You are the worst I truly have ever witnessed, bro. You're literally lying about a book in the first grade. You wrote a book or wrote an essay about a book in the first grade? Bro, why? Why lie so much? Why do you lie so much, bro? In the first grade. Bro, you don't even know what certain simple words mean. And you're an adult. And all of a sudden you wrote a paragraph or a book in the first grade, and then sue somebody and say, well, that you hurry up and say, I don't know where's that, it's so long time ago. Hey, idiot. Everybody and their mama use that excuse. Everybody. And, bro, I'm so like sold on the fact that you are nothing but a blood-sucking idiot. You lie about that book, and then, bro, you keep making up. It's like you get caught with fake fans. You come up with more fake fans. Now it's called loyal soldier. This like Chinese or Korean looking lady. Come on, man. You know, god dang well. God. I mean, you just make up lies, bro. I think it's worse, bro. It is absolutely worse to have fake fans. To have fake fans. You know why that's crappy? It's because, bro, that means you don't have none. None. That means you have none. None. And then you keep on with this thinking you making music. Bro, every one of your songs, you have copied it from somebody. Because you don't even have the dignity to write your own music. You can't even write your own music, so you just steal from other people and think because you put your own touch to it, that means it's yours. No, idiot. But you did the same thing again. I told you like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I said you are stealing people's music so much that you ain't focusing, that you literally be saying stuff that has nothing you can't do. The first time was, I'm the king of the South. You copied T.I. and you literally put that in your song. Literally put that in your song, bro. And then yesterday, as you copy an Eminem song, you say, F Eminem, F him, blah, blah, blah. I thought that was crazy that you did that. Because you were clearly sitting here stealing his music. Stealing his music. And happy about it, too. Kept talking about it. Man, that one was crazy, huh? Wanting people to say yeah or whatever just to get you a fan. But even then, idiot, you were begging people to call in. Begging people to call in. And not one person called in. You want to know why, Buttercup? Because nobody cares about you. You are the literally poster child of don't trust you for nothing. Nothing. Not at all, bro. Not at all. You will steal people's material and then call it yours. Then be having the nerve to try to get mad at somebody. That crap you did yesterday. Acting like you rapping real fast and real hard. You can't talk in that. You know why you couldn't talk in that? Because your butt was stealing music as we speak. Bro, you are a character, bro. A sad little character that don't work hard, don't want to work hard. Only you want to do is lie. Oh, and now all of a sudden, your job ain't making enough now? No, Butthole. You don't have that job. You are labor ready, you idiot. So they send you out on different jobs. Wow, bro. Oh, boy, when you got that job, it was the best thing since sliced bread. He was like, man, my boss loved me. You know what I mean? My boss loved me. Love Tyree. Love me. And once again, Tyree is doing what? Begging. Joey is begging for donations again. Like I predicted. Joey the Rap always start off, especially when you think you got a little money. Bro, when you think you got some money, boy, oh boy, you flash it every 10 minutes. And then make it worse. You would think that your dumb butt would learn how to control yourself and tell yourself, like, if you stop flashing my money, because I might not have no more in a couple of days. So nobody gonna know what I have and don't have. No, not you, loser. You tell yourself, like, I'm going to get more money. Every time you get money, you be like, I got a check coming on this day. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. I got a check coming. I get paid on the 16th. I get paid on the 2nd. Bro, you're not getting paid from nobody. Nobody. So just stop, bro. Just stop. Please. you just, bro, you need to just stop, bro. You don't have money in the bank. You don't even got a bank account. There's no money in the bank. You both know you don't got no goddamn bank account. You don't got no goddamn money. You're broke. Stop showing that stock. It ain't yours. God, I mean, are you that desperate? Are you really that desperate for attention? You keep showing it. It ain't yours. I never seen that before. You are flashing that stock like it's yours and you got all that money right now. Bro, I mean, it's like, are you that hard up, bro? I mean, I think you are like literally so hard up for attention and money that you would say and try to say anything and do anything as long as it meant you getting notoriety for having a couple dollars, you would do it. I mean, bro, it's just like you are just a pitiful human being, bro, that I have never seen in my life until I met you. Because you were just like, it's just a shame, man. You have no fans whatsoever. You have no family whatsoever. You have no money, so you just keep on acting like you put money into the bank for, trying to get the 10K up. Hey, dummy, you can't. One day you say you got about $1,700 in there, and then literally 2 days later say you got $3,400 in there. I mean, when you go get it to your little maggot of a brain that we are smarter than you. I'm smarter than you. I told you, bro, you are the easiest case I have ever had. Bro, I mean, you're so predictable, so dumb with it too. And to top it off, you make it easier to bomb on you because you're a low life. You're a loser. You talk down on people, knowing your butt don't have nothing compared to these people you talk down to. I mean, it's like, it's comical, bro. It is comical. And oh yes, I'm still peeing on you. That's who you are. That's all you worth. I'm like peeing on your butt. Bro. Wow. You just, you don't get it. I'm thinking like, you get it. You just keep keep telling yourself, if I do this, I'll do that. They're going to have to believe me. They're going to have to believe me. And you keep talking about these freaking people with these rappers and this and that, this fake money, this and that. What do you have? You have nothing. Nothing at all. You would take that life 1,000 out of 1,000 times if somebody offered it to you. You would take it, and then, this is the kicker right here. Then you would you would make reasons why you took the money and signed with somebody. He would say we were all corny. We were all corny and you smart. So that's why you took the money. You had to take the contract. I know you like a book, like that book you supposedly wrote. Loser. Oh, but boy, you talk about, I'm independent. Yeah, you're independent, all right. You're independent till somebody sign your butt. And bro, just to let you know, that day is never coming, bro. Never. Bro, never coming. That day will never come. Nobody in their right mind would even think about signing your sorry self, man. You're terrible, bro. You know how bad you are, bro. One time I was listening to you and I literally told myself, what is the purpose of having ears if the only thing we will hear is this garbage? Man, you made me want to cut my own ears off, bro. Because you are so terrible. I've never seen somebody like you that literally, man, have absolutely nothing going for you. I've never seen it, and I hope I never see it again, because it is a sad looking case of somebody that's just flat out terrible at doing something. Bro, maybe one day if you stop lying, maybe people will think about leaving your sorry butt alone. Since we know that's never going to happen, we just gonna keep on bombing on you. Fight Club. So once again, loser, show us this bank account you got. Show us you got all this money in the bank. Loser.